What is up, y'all? It's CJ Moto, and I'm bringing you the DJI Mavic Air 2. And today, I was thinking to myself, I got some shiner in the fridge. It happens to be Oktoberfest. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my controller and everything out of here, use this iPad. It's an iPad, 4? Mini 4? No, iPad Mini 5. And I'm going to pick this up. I'm going to zip tie this to the drone using these shoestrings that I got. They're very strong. And then I'm going to lift it up and I'm going to see if I can't deliver myself a shiner box. And we're going to see what happens. Before I do it, just so everyone doesn't freak out, I'm going to fill the shiner box bottle with water because the drone community is full of a bunch of Nancys and they're going to be like, "You can't drink beer while you're flying that thing. The FFA's gonna be after you. They're gonna arrest you for drunken flying. It's gonna be horrible." They're probably gonna be from Europe. So this is gonna be full of water, okay, folks? Water. So we got a bottle of water. You can see it's already empty. Here. I'll fill it with Fuji water. Fiji water. Okay, just so all you Nancy's out there don't have to freak the hell out. Alright, let's put about 3/4 of a bottle. We'll cap it off and then we'll head out there and see what's going on. DJI Mavic Air 2. Hopefully under 400 grams, because that's what I read the maximum weight is, so I don't know. Don't have a scale. And don't forget to check out my Nanuk case, and then check out the iPad Mini 5 if you're interested in it. It's amazing to fly with. I'm filming with it. I do all my editing on it. It's just stinking awesome. So, say hi, August. Hi. What the heck are you doing? She got some... Apparently she got a package today. So let's get out there and fire this thing up. I don't know about y'all, but I am super freaking thirsty. And you know what? I just think it's time for me to have myself a shiner box. So I went ahead and ordered one up from a local distributor. And I'm just going to head on back home and see if we can't deliver this thing to a thirsty customer today. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. There's some waterfowl. But we have more pressing items on our list. Let's see how she's doing. Looks pretty good. Doing 16 miles an hour, not too much shaking. Just gonna see if we can't make this thing over back to me. And see what we can look around a little bit. We're at 68% battery. I will say that carrying a payload of a beer weighs, I don't know, whatever a beer weighs. And definitely does wear on your battery life a little bit. But it looks like she's doing all right. You got to be careful like that. If you stop, you get some major swinging. So you can't be doing that. Let's go ahead and turn over like this. Pan back out. And now I'm going to come down the road here. And go ahead and keep a steady speed up. And now we'll see if we can't get this thing delivered. And I'll see if I can't videotape it for y'all on delivery. So let me fire up the old GoPro real quick and we'll get this thing dropped off. Turn around. Adjust things here. Oh, it looks like the damn cat tried to eat my GoPro. And here we are. Let's see, where am I? We're gonna drop ourselves right down through these trees right here. Staying over the trees. Don't want to get over any houses or anything, just in case. And here we go, folks. Looks like it's gonna work out all right. There I am right there. This is the first time in a long time I've incorporated the old GoPro. No, I don't want to land. Thought I was trying to land. Let's go ahead and swing her over here. See how our payload's doing. Looks okay. And here we are, folks. I think we're gonna make it. Looking good.
Landing.
Keeps trying to land. I'm not trying to land just yet. Here we go. There we go. See how she's doing? Looks pretty good. Go ahead and lay the radio down real quick. Raise it up a little bit. Release our string there. There we go, baby. We got her dropped off. So there's a successful payload of 1 beer, which I did fill with water. It wasn't actually beer, because you know you got to stay hydrated while you're out flying. Can't be drinking flying. So yeah, filled it with water, and it did end up doing pretty well. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Let's do a little test, see how this thing yanks up. I'm trying to figure out what the maximum payload for this thing would be. It feels like it could probably lift just about that much weight and probably no more. But anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And I'm gonna go ahead and land this thing. It's gonna be a little bit tricky landing it with this string on it. So I think I'm just gonna do a hand landing. There we have it. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. Went pretty well. Payload does all right with this thing. I think it says online 400 grams is the maximum payload weight, if y'all were wondering. Hope you enjoyed that video. And I'm gonna get out of here. And I'll see y'all next time. CJ Moto out. Well, y'all, I think that went really well. It was a good flight. Everything went fine. The only thing I can advise, there's the kitty. Hey, kitty. The only thing I can advise is make sure you're careful when you take off. If you try to do a payload flight, go up slow and controlled, and keep an eye on that string or a rope or whatever you're using. Keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't get caught up in the propellers. Everything went a-okay for me. Just keep an eye on that. But you actually can, once you fire up the propellers, I would not do an automatic takeoff. I would fire up the propellers first and then slowly lift the stick. And you can, are you kidding me? Cat spilled the water. You can actually slowly lift off the ground and slowly come on up. You want to show him the drone? Here, show it to him. What is that?
Drone.
What's it do?
Fly, 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 fly.
Can you say, Augie Moto out of here?
Augie Moto out of here.
Anyhow, we'll see y'all later. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the footage. And yeah, just be careful taking off. Don't get something caught up in the propellers. Basically what I'm saying is like this, as an example. You want the beer or whatever it is you're carrying to be here. You want the cloud to be like this. You're going to, stop. You're going to hit the gas. You're going to fire up the propellers and you're going to slowly lift off. And then you're going to keep it over here and then you're going to slowly bring it over top of what you're carrying. And then slowly take the slack out of the line. And then you should be solid. Landing, the same thing. Drop the item on the ground and then you got to fly over this way and then land. And you should be good. Anyhow, or you can, before you land, take the item off the drone like I just did. That worked really well too. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Hope you enjoyed the video.
And we're going to go. See y'all later.
See you all later.
Say goodbye.